Hello once again. I am Roshni from Majestic Home once again being brought it for you 2 BHK4 today. So before I go for my view of my showcase, I would like to represent to you the entrance of my area and the stairs. Then I can move forward for the view of my floor. It's a 55 square yard and it's really a very beautiful and decent property, and it's located to a Mohan garden near Adwarka Mall. So please guys, now welcome. Let's start the view of my floor starting by the stairs area. This is my stairs area. You can just see it's really a very not that much long, even you can able to move very easily. And this is my lifting area, which is truly to be touching with the starting by the floor of my home. All the buttons are already available, MCB bolts are already available, and we are already provide an iron gate over here, and it's really a very decent. Before I'll go inside to show you my view of my living area, this is the area which is of the lifted, you can just see, and this is the area of the stairs which is going to moving around from here to downstairs. Please welcome guys. This is my living area. You can see it's really a very beautiful. It's a very decent color which we have been provided today. The golden texture, you just see it is a mixing of black, like you know, like a lion. So it's color of texture of lion shade, and you can see this very beautiful fold ceiling at the upstairs with the small buttons. Here we have a window over here, and even we have a AC area. You can able to put your AC window AC this side, and you can just see at this is the master room which I've just been arranged over here, and you can see the full ceiling is really a very beautiful. And even we are having, see the lights, when we switch off the tube lights, we haven't used the wallpaper in this one, because each and every floor is having the different designs, and you see it's a texture of blue and white color. It's a very decent. Now LED panel, we are already given over here LED panel. Switchboards are you already looking is been given the space, you can able to just to decorate something on the top also, and even we have given the drawers in which you can able to keep your accessories very easily. So I'll talk about the windows. Once again, we are having the one more window over in the room. Move to the washroom. See, this is really a very good washroom. You can see out. Please cameraman come this side, and which is already fitted in the wall. So you take you to my almirah area. You can see it's really having the shoe box inside in this almirah. You can put your shoes very easily. It's a very deeper inside it. You can not able to put the shoes. You can able to put your bed sheets and whatever. It's a very spacious in this. Now I talk about the almirah. So you can see you can able to put the locker if it's a providations of here. We already given the drawer size. You can see you can able to hangers your clothes here. At the up you can put your suitcase and whatever the accessories you have, and it's really a very beautiful. Before I'll go for another room, I'll just firstly take you to the kitchen area, and you can see the space. How much big space is this? I'll just show you the kitchen area. This is the window we have already given, and you can see no suffocated in this door. Everywhere having the ventilations, you can come and easily. This is my chimney area which we will give you on when you are going to come and buy up the floor. This is the drawers. You can see it's really very highly shafted inside for your accessories. This is the drawers for the plates, spoons, all the accessories I can talk about here. See the glasses you can able to put here, and this is totally a perfect kitchen I can say, and you can see all the drawers are inside. You can put your all the boxes very easily. This is the area for the dustbin, you all the guys has knows, and this is the area you can able to put your fridge over here. So this is really a completely for a joint family also, and for the kids family also. This is the room you already saw. It's a color of pinkish, and I can just switch off the lights, and then you see it looks very pretty. See, and from here cameraman please come this side and show the front of the area from that side. This is a pinkish color of the wall. We haven't used the wallpaper in this. This is really a very beautiful, and you see its texture is like a darkish pinkish, and its contrast is really looks very pretty. Already given the AC split AC power connection, and here is a power connection of the AC by where you can able to put in the AC very easily. In this store I am giving you the 2 washrooms plus 2 BHK in only a 55 square yard. And it's really a bigger surprise for the Delhi people or another peoples who are staying, and none of the person has started. And when I will be standing here, I'll shoot from here, you see the how much space is there in a floor. You just please come, cameraman, and just show them how much beautiful it looks, like a white color. Now let's go to the washroom area. This is my washroom area. You just see, this is the tap for the bathing area. This is for the refreshment. This is the door is really very thicker. It's really colored with a creamy stone. How much long space is this till? There is a washing area. Tap is already available. A switchboard is already available for the power point where you can able to wash your clothes very easily, and you can see the space is really very good. So the rate is only 24 lakhs. Free from rent and make your home. That is the most important thing. Facilities which I am going to giving you here is a Delhi Jal Board water. Second, gas pipeline. Is it near to connectivity of the metro is only a 150 meters, not that much far. Okay, and my office is this area is Rama Park, and it's really a very good gated society. Please subscribe my channel, forward it and share it the video. By may your help, anyone can make the home. This only you have to pay 21,000 rupees. Trust me and please make your home. Come, welcome. Thank you guys. Thank you for